Hi, I'm Jeremiah Savage, creator of contact instruments like kinetic toys and kinetic metal. I'd like to introduce you to a new instrument of mine called Acousmatic Engine. Acousmatic Engine is about sounds that integrate conceptual sampling with surreal synthesis, creating imaginative and unique instruments that offer an inspiring palette of color, tone, and unusual instruments across music and film genres. For Acousmatic Engine, it was important for me to create instruments based around theme. I feel that through the process of immersing myself in thematic worlds, researching, recording, and building upon those worlds, the sounds that arise out of that process have more depth and idiosyncratic character than what you typically expect from traditional synths or sampled instruments. For the initial release of Acousmatic Engine, I include three main themes that I find inspiring and which all sounds are based from: Lovecraftian horror, sci-fi noir, and steampunk. I'm intrigued by sound and how it relates to story, mood, and environment. And to achieve these connections, I take a somewhat experimental approach in sound design, seeking out and sampling interesting objects, instruments, and environments in different ways, and coaxing from them the most interesting elements of sound using various miking and processing techniques, as well as carefully listening to find that unique characteristic that satisfies the idea I'm trying to convey. Many of my sounds have shapes like traditional instruments, but with a unique sort of luster that fuses theme with inventive sound ideas. Other sounds emphasize texture and soundscape using field recordings, as well as movement and tone with various methods of inventive synthesis and processing. Then finally, designing an interface built around these themes creates an experience that is thematically tactile and conceptually intertwined, connecting the vision in an interactive way. Through this process of creative sound design, Acousmatic Engine offers an extraordinary collection of instruments that stand apart and will push your musical ideas into immersive and otherworldly dimensions.